Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video you will get to know what is a search engine and how this search engine works. So what is a search engine and how this search engine works. So you all know that Google is a search engine, right? Google is a search engine. But understand that Google is not the only one search engine in the internet. Apart from Google, there are other search engines like Bing and Yahoo, not Yahoo Mail, Yahoo.com and Chinese search engine Baidu. Baidu is the Chinese search engine. Okay, and I think 140 plus search engines are available in the internet and available in the world. Okay, but Google is the most popular search engine. Okay, so what is a search engine? What is a search engine? A search engine is a software, a kind of online tool which helps the users to get their results for their search queries. So what happens actually is user enter his search query in Google. And this Google delivers the search results to the users. Delivers the search results to the users again. Once the user gets the relevant search results, it is read by users. So this is the cycle actually happens for every searches. So let us get into detail how this search engine actually works. Okay, so I am searching for a keyword best places to visit in India. Okay. These are all the results I am getting for this keyword, and these are the websites I am getting for this keyword, and these are the websites I am getting for this keyword in the first page of the results. Okay, so and for this keyword about 89 crores results are competing for this keyword. Okay, so the first thing you have to get into mind is, in order to show up your website in the search results, your website should be visible to the search engines first. Okay, you have a website, it must be visible to search engines first. If your website can't be found on the internet, then your website won't show up in the search results. Which means if your website is not be found by the search engines, then your website won't show up in the search results. Once you completed building a website, your website would be published on the internet. Once it is published, your website will be read by the search engines. So you have a website, published on internet. Once it is published, your website will be read by search engines. So, and this process is called as crawling. Technically, this process is called as crawling or crawling the website or crawl. Okay. So reading the website by the search engines is called as crawling. So during this crawling process, this search engine will try to understand the structure of our website, the content in the website, and what this website is actually about, whether we are selling a product or giving a services or just an information website, and so on. And once this website is crawled by the search engine, it is then organized and stored in the search engine index, which means the content of a website or web pages are stored in the search engine's database. Once the crawling is done, the website is stored in a search engine's database. Stored in search engine's database. And this process is called as indexing. Technically, this process is called as indexing the website. So to check whether your website is in Google's database or not, just go to google.com and check for, I have a website digitalmarketing.in, go for SI site colon your domain name, check. You see, my website is not in the Google's database, okay, which means my website is not in the Google index, which means my website won't show up in the search results whenever my customers search for any queries related to my blogs, related to my business, related to my website. Okay, so go for amazon.com. And check for Amazon whether it is. You see, many results are appearing for this indexing check for Amazon. About 4 crore results are appearing for this Amazon website check, which means the Amazon website and each of the web pages in the Amazon are indexed in the Google search engine. This process is called as indexing check. So the first process is crawling the website, and the second process is indexing the website by the search engines. Once these two processes are done by the search engines, the next process is ranking our website. Okay. So whenever the user search for any queries on Google, this search engine or this Google will look up for relevant content or relevant website in its database to give the results for the user's search query. But understand that our website is not the only one website in the internet. There are many websites which resembles our website, which resembles our business, which resembles our content are available on the internet. There are many competitors are available for us, available for our website. Now, what these search engines will actually do is, it will try to get a best results from its database based on the keyword relevancy, based on the content, based on the website structure, based on the website's user experience, based on the location, based on the time, and many more factors are involved in ranking a website. So when I search for this keyword, best places to visit in India, this Google search engine gives priority to these results. Travel Triangle is the first place, and Thrilophilia is the second place, holidayfare.com is the third place, Tour My India is the fourth place. Okay, so this Google search engine consider these are the relevant results for this keyword, and these are the relevant websites for this keyword. Okay, so there are many factors are involved in ranking a website in the first page of Google, and this is how the search engines actually works. It crawls the website first, and it stores the website in its database, and finally this search engines and try to deliver the best and relevant search results for their users.